This is an awful long way to go to get some French fries. Ow, it's hot.
This is a challenge video. Let's add a little bit. I'm swollen.
Let me give you a I love you kiss. Come here. Yeah, I think you're gonna be making these all afternoon until I get full of them.
It's like the shape of my head from here.
Waka wooka waka.
So I see you're boiling potatoes on the stove.
Yes, I will smash it and I will mix with the starch to form the shape and I will cut it.
This is an awful long way to go to get some French fries.
Yes, because I'm making the super long fries.
Okay, sweetie.
Smash it. This is like smashed potato. Do you think I need to add some water? It's really dry.
People are making mashed potatoes. They typically would use cream and milk or butter.
But it's a fries. Do people add cream to fries?
Maybe people don't add cream to fries because typically people just cut up a potato. They're trying to make it into a paste. Then you're going to take the paste and you're going to do something with it.
Because I want to shape the
I know.
fries as long as I can. Okay, we add some butter. Is this enough butter?
Put it in, but I don't know if that's going to be enough. I don't know how dry you want it. Too wet and it's not going to stay formed into a shape. Too dry and it's not going to stick together and it's just going to break and you won't be able to make a long fry.
I don't want to eat too much butter.
You're about to fry potatoes in a bunch of oil and you're concerned about the amount of butter.
Yes.
It seems like a moot point. Ow, it's hot. Ow, it's hot. Ow, it's hot.
Why you keep doing it?
Well, you need it mashed, baby, and poking at it with the end of a spoon's not going to get it done. Ow, it's hot.
Let me do it.
It's hot.
Oh!
Yes, it's hot.
What are you doing? So I don't want butter. Okay.
You could try one of these. You can try using the big fork
Yeah,
and the
that
small
works.
fork, and that might work better. At least this way I don't burn my fingers.
Super long fries. Looks like it's very popular in Asia. We don't have it here, so we are making it our own.
Are they super long and skinny? Or are they super long and thick also?
Look at the picture. It's super long and skinny. This is just the fun. Yeah. Why it's mashed now? It's mashed. Let me try if it works with starch.
This is fun. If you're planning on running it through the extruder, if you've got chunks in here, the chunks will either, well, number one, clog up the extruder and then it won't work, or the chunks will not properly adhere to the rest of it and then it'll break off and you won't get a long fry. What you'll get is a bunch of little bitty tiny fried chunks.
Yeah, you're right.
So you've got to make sure that it's really mashed together, and you could demonstrate that I'm wrong.
You're right.
Okay, I really don't think that this is moist enough.
You want more butter? I think we should add some salt.
Typically we put salt on the outside of the French fry, right?
Oh,
I don't know what the salt's going to do to the mixture you're making here.
makes me hungry.
This makes you hungry.
Yes, very tiring to do this. More butter?
More butter. Butter's always a good thing.
Wow.
Okay, so I was watching some TV shows, like something called some British thing where it's like some science teacher was doing a challenge against some famous chef and they were trying to figure out the best way to make mashed potatoes, and the science teachers had some sort of enzyme and he just dumped the enzymes in the potatoes. And the enzyme's supposed to break down the starch molecule chains. And the chef had his sous chef spend 45 minutes mashing the potatoes and then squishing the potatoes through a series of smaller and smaller wire mesh strainers. until the mashed potatoes were finally the right consistency. I came to the conclusion after watching that making mashed potatoes sucks.
Getting hot now. It's good now. It's good now.
Not sure if it's creamy. Are these creamy?
We don't need to make it creamy. It's supposed to be fries, not mashed potato. I'll just take some of mashed potato, mix it with starch. I'll just try if this method works.
How much starch?
Just add a little bit.
Okay, folks, that right there, that qualifies as a little bit.
It was an accident.
Okay, baby, that is too dry.
I'll add some water.
No, don't add water.
Just a little bit. I want to make this like a dough. Like a dough. So I can cut it.
Are you gonna cut it, or are you gonna send it through the?
I will cut it.
I'm just gonna go in the living room.
Yes.
Watch some TV.
Oh yeah, it's forming into a dough now. Okay, I will take off my ring.
Did your finger get fat?
Yes. I don't know. I'm swollen. Yes, right now it looks like a dough. This is what I want because I'm going to cut it.
It doesn't look like all that starch is evenly mixed in.
I'm not finished. If you want to make one, you make one. Flour. Do you think I need more starch?
Where's that rolling pin that I bought you? Yeah, look at that rolling pin.
Oh, it's a chunk.
Oh, let me give you a I love you kiss. Come here. I'm gonna go find cookies.
I will keep making it. It really takes a long time to make it. It's really like fried. Do you want to taste it? Try it. Right now it has no salt and no pepper. It's very
actually really impressed. So you made these by rolling them out and then cutting with a knife?
Yes. Is this crunchy?
Yeah, it's crunchy. It kind of tastes like the fish batter you might get from like Captain D's or something.
Well, what is that?
The batter on the outside of the fish that you would get from Captain D's.
I haven't added salt yet. Let's wait. Let me make more.
Yeah, I think you're going to be making these all afternoon until I get full of them.
I will go make more. Wow, surprise!
It's very greasy, but it's actually very good.
Because it has holes, so the grease getting to holes. Let me add some salt, pepper.
Now you just have to figure out a way to get the chili and the cheese inside.
The cheese?
Yes.
I also think because it's very oily, I should use this to soak all the oil. Wow, add some salt. It's very oily. We need to put it on here. Too greasy. Soak up all the grease before eat it. Wow, look how much grease. So we don't need to eat very greasy. Add some pepper. I think this one is the longest. It looks not bad, but it's not same like the pictures. Ta-da! It looks not bad.
It looks wonderful.
Hey, wait! I need to make a thumbnail first. It's as long as my face, the fries.
Which one do you want me to eat? Because I know you want to eat the long ones yourself.
Anyone. Oh, that one is very long. I don't think I will eat all. Very greasy. Oh, this one is long. I spent more time making those fries than the actual meal. It's very long. It's like the shape of my head from here. It's fun to look at, but it's not good to eat it. are super extremely greasy.
Waka wooka waka. Waka wooka waka. Waka wooka waka. Waka wooka waka.